you guys, I'm Kanisha and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my first opening of Boxycharm, and I did the exclusive Boxycharm that they do once every 3 months for a bigger box with more stuff in it. So this is my very first time ordering from Boxycharm, and so I'm going to open up with you guys and see exactly what comes in this box. Okay you guys, so I'm going to open it up. And this is what it looks like. Let's take, tells what's in here and what it's retailed for. We have Tidal. This one is a brightening enzyme water cream. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I did select to have skincare also. I didn't just want makeup products. And this one is a hydrating hair balm. I don't know if I'm gonna be using that, but we'll see. This is what it looks like. And it's by IGK. Never heard of the company, but that was the reason why I wanted to do Boxycharm. And then this one is a recovering sleeping mask by Dr. Brandt. Come on. There we go. So that's what that looks like. Well, I'll actually open the box. It comes like this. It's picking up my face, y'all. That's what it's wanting to focus on. The lighting is really light, so it's probably not going to show it anyway. And then this is Hank&Henry Slick With It. It's a long wear liquid eyeliner, which I will be using. We're going to do a look today with some of the stuff that I got out of here. And this is by Stila. I do like Stila. This is Stay All Day liquid lipstick. Let's see what color they sent. It's called Angelo. It looks like it's a peachy color. So this is usually a little bit too light for my complexion, but I can use it in combination with another lipstick as an ombre. And then the Too Faced Natural Face. It's a palette. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at that packaging. Yes, Too Faced, come through. Let's see what the colors look like. Okay, this is actually a blush and highlight palette. Oh, highlight, blush, bronzing, veil face palette. So this is what it looks like. I do see some stuff that I can use in there, and I love that it has a big mirror. And I love, 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 love the packaging. So, and it's something I probably wouldn't have picked up in the store. And then it's a Moda Studio by Royal and Langnickel 8-piece glam brush set, which is great because I'm always good. I'm always up for new brushes. Always. I love makeup brushes. So let's see. We have this one, and they have like this cool textured bottom. It looks like something I'll use for a highlight brush. Have a thin eyebrow angled brush. Have more of a, it's like a contour brush. A blending brush, which you can never have enough of those. Face brush or blush. I like to use my bigger brushes like this for blush or setting my foundation. And then this one, and then another brush I can use for eyeshadow. So this is that, and we have one more. And And this one is by Voss, which I've been wanting to try some of their palettes. I've heard about them, but it's an Essentials palette, Pro Series. Ooh, and they got fall colors in there, y'all. The number one is sticking out for me right now is terracotta, that orange one right there, and then this one right here, which is cinnamon. So we're gonna do a look with that today, so keep watching.
Perfect.
Are set. I'm gonna go in with this Voss Essentials palette, and the first color I'm gonna use is the sand color. No, I'm gonna use cinnamon first, and then I'm gonna gradually go lighter. So I'm gonna take the smaller of the fluffy brushes that came in this kit. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with sand as the next color. I'm gonna overlap it just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to cut my crease with Rumor 2 Base by P. Louise.
Perfect.
In this inner corner with cinnamon also. Just build it up. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with terracotta, which is that orange color. Now I'm gonna go in with the color cream. It's the shimmer. take a L'Oreal pencil. This one is in the color Nude 980. So I'm gonna go in with the Hank&Henry Stick With It liquid liner. I'm gonna do my brows with the Eyebrow Styler by MAC in the color Spiked. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera in my other eye and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I put my lashes on and did my other eye. Now I'm going to go in with this Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. It says you can use it in the morning and afternoon, but I'm just going to use a little bit as moisturizer. Okay, I fanned the moisturizer down some. I'm actually not going to use a primer today. I'm gonna go in with my Lancome 470 Sous C. Okay, I'm gonna take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Golden Honey to conceal under my eyes. And I'm gonna mix in the Cafe by Maybelline Fit Me. Take the Maybelline Fit Me the 30 loose finishing powder and set up underneath my eyes with that. Then I'm going to take the pressed finishing powder in the color 360 by Maybelline Fit Me and just set everywhere else. Top it like it's hot. This one right here. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of Pink Wink. This stuff is pigmented. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Satin Sheets. Now I think I'm gonna use Starlight because Starlight looks like it has a little bit more of a, I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's do Satin Sheets first to see. Yeah, Satin Sheets is fine. NYX pencil, not NYX, NK pencil. I'm gonna go in with the Stila Angelo. I'm scared. This does not look like the color I'm used to using. And to tone it down, because this is very pink, Boxycharm, don't send me no more. I have to go and change my lip stuff on there. This is not the nude I was referring to, Boxy. And this matte lip is by Majestic Melanin Cosmetics. Starting to tone down. I'm gonna go over it with Wedding Day by House of Flawless. It's like the same tone, but a little bit deeper. Okay, I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu spray. Spray my face. I'm gonna go in with some Bella blush. Okay, and on my lips, I'm gonna go over it with the Infallible 8-Hour Pro Lip Gloss by L'Oreal. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I want to say, I'm just gonna go over and review the stuff that I did get, that I did use. So I used the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream as a moisturizer up underneath my foundation. I felt like it worked fine. My foundation isn't doing anything different from what it normally does. I used the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series. These are the colors. And I used, well, I attempted to use the Stila lip gloss. It's too pink for my complexion. I used the Hank&Henry eyeliner. I like it over regular shadow, but over shimmer it's not giving off as much, but that's a typical problem when you use shimmers. I use also the Too Faced Natural Face. I do like the two highlighters right here. I do feel like the bronzers aren't good for me and my skin complexion as far as the tones of them and the tones that they give off on my skin complexion, but I do like the Starlight and the Satin Sheets. What else did I use? I used the brushes. I do like the makeup brushes, and that's all I used out of what came with the Boxycharm. I am going to stay subscribed to Boxycharm for a while, so I'll be coming back and showing what's in each box each month and how I like it. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified the next time I do a video, and have a great day. See you next video. Oh, hold on, make sure you watch one of the videos that I take somewhere around here. And thank you. Bye.